Yo, so I'm just out here recording and stuff, walking down the street, exploring some new crap, and I found some woods. Apparently it's being worked on. There's a bunch of houses over there that I didn't know about. See them over there? There's a freaking cabin that way, but I'm not gonna get close to that. Stupid dog is following me. I don't know whose it is either. Keep hearing a lot of noises as well. Ah! Oh. Freaking bush. Yo, move, dog. There's freaking thorns everywhere. God. I know this is out of content, but because you know I usually make videos on my geckos. Yo, there's a freaking lizard. Let's catch this boy. Ah, frick. Dang, I lost him. Oh well, I don't want to catch him anyway. Yo, does this dog see something? If I get scratched by a bunch of freaking thorns. Yo, holy crap, there's something big jumping in those trees. Holy crap, there was something big. I don't think that one does no squirrel, bro. That dog's freaking out too. That ain't no freaking squirrel, bro. Heck no. Bro, that dog's freaking out. I don't know where he's at anymore. Bro, I'm freaking scared. Holy. Heck no, bro. I'm out of here. Heck no, bro. Anyway. Oh, crap. Freaking thorns. Well, I guess I'm going back because everybody else is going back. Yo, y'all tell me y'all ain't hearing this crap, bro. Bro, I swear to God, there has to be like mosquitoes, man. Bro, y'all ain't telling me y'all ain't hearing that crap. Get torn up by mosquitoes. Holy crap, bro. I guess that'll end it here. I'm not even freaking sure what's up there. If I find out more, I'll come back and make another video on it, I guess. But for now, just like, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. You see all this freaking crap I have to take off my freaking shoes? Anyway, just like. I might come back here again. Anyway, bye guys.